What's happening, folks? Back with another reaction, back with some more John Foxx, and we're moving to his album, The Garden. I did notice on Discogs it seems to list one, maybe like mini album or extended EP between Metamatic and The Garden, which is Burning Car. It wasn't in the folder, so this is the next album we're going to go through. So yeah, this is 1981, 1 year after Metamatic, so again, even if it was just these two albums, but certainly if there's one in between, yeah, obviously prolific and putting out a lot of music as an early 80s synth artist. Again, I know he's regarded and perhaps, not just in retrospect, but at the time as being a synth pioneer along with Newman and I think Human League and some others. So yeah, ultimately looking forward to the next album. Not sure if all the themes, and it again seemed to be a couple themes in particular, like technology and sort of a science fiction feel, so I wonder if some of that will carry over. But yeah, ultimately the first track on The Garden is called Europe After the Rain. Early 80s, it feels like maybe it could be a speculative fiction about what might happen in a nuclear mutually assured annihilation, and so the idea of countries shooting bombs at each other and then nuclear fallout and essentially radioactive rain, so maybe Europe after the rain in that regard. Perhaps it won't be so dark and dire, but yeah, I do wonder whether rain will be in a more traditional sense or whether it will be rain of a more toxic or at least metaphorical character. So let's find out. This is John Foxx, the first tune on The Garden, 1981, and it's called Europe After the Rain. Oh, wow.
The blossom balconies
That's amazing. I feel like, I don't want to say hands down because then I'll go back, oh, that one was really good too, but probably my favorite John Foxx tune so far. That's incredible. Love that. It had a groovy, rocking feel to it, but with lots of layered synths and melody. And yeah, really compelling vocals, especially those sort of echoed backing vocals, which again, I assume that was just, that's him. But yeah, not quite sure what's happening thematically. I thought I did hear the word poison in there, and again, it felt like there could be some metaphor going on because normally, like, Europe is such a big geographical place that it's hard to imagine it all raining at the same time. So it feels like there has to be some metaphor at work, but not sure if it is a Cold War, nuclear Holocaust type of tune. But as I said, I did think I heard poison in there. So yeah, do let me know if you have an angle on this one. Again, it seems like the more this channel goes on and the more people come involved, there's not a single tune that someone doesn't have an angle on. So again, assuming people will comment on this one, thank you in advance. And as I said, this is not an artist I knew going into doing reaction videos, and then again through Han Solo made his work available, gave me some information about who he is, and then of course other people have commented since. So again, shout out to all of you, and yeah, I'm looking forward to going through a new album. As I said, this is only 1 year later, so I expect to hear some continuity, but admittedly that felt like a more vivid mix of a new wave rock sound mixed with some really cool synth production. And again, the natural piano was maybe my favorite part of it. It just became so emotional and sort of wistful in those moments where it would come in, which I think was it post-chorus? Maybe it was the chorus itself. I'm actually blanking in the moment, but either way, really cool one. Probably my favorite from Fox so far. Let me know what you think. I will see you next time. Peace.